Hey guys, what's up? It's Frank from the Jeep Life Podcast. So I'm here today with Mike, and we've been waiting. About 2 months, actually, about 2 months, and they're here, and they're going on. Today we're doing bumpers. So this is what we got. We got a rear bumper without tire carrier. This is a DV8. I actually scored this from a friend of mine, another guy named Mike. Shout out, Mike. This one is slightly used, but it'll do what we need it to do. And then over here is the one we've been waiting for, another DV8 bumper. This is the Shorty bumper. Accepts the stock fog lights. I already put the OEM fog lights back in there, and we're gonna get the old bumpers off and put these new guys on, and it'll totally change the look of the Jeep. So let's get rocking and rolling. All right, so I'm getting started here. Of course, first things first, spare tire's got to come off to get to the rear. Alright, so underneath the Jeep you can see where these two bolts have to come out. Those are for the passenger side. The hitch bolts have to come out. And then there's a couple of bolts over here for the recovery hook. And then of course 2 more bolts on the other side. And this rear bumper should come right off. So here we go. There's your stock bumper. So because the DV8 bumper actually has an integral trailer hitch, the stock hitch is going to come off also. Pretty easy to get this off. Wiring harness comes out, and you got 4 bolts on the inside that go into these welded nuts. So to install the bumper now, DV8 provides you with these nut plates that go inside the frame rail. They line up with holes that are in the frame rail already. and use the supplied hardware to get it on there, tighten it down. So continuing with the installation, DV8 also provides you with a spacer for the center where the hitch is. This is going to go right where you remove the factory hitch. 4 bolts go from this plate through the frame right into the back side of the bumper, provided hardware. So now that we got the rear out of the way, it's time to move on to the front. And it doesn't seem to be that difficult. It looks like 4 bolts on one side, 4 bolts on the other side, pull it off, pop the new one on. So let's do it. The front bumper comes off not too hard. It's 4 bolts on both sides. These ones are a little bit difficult to get to because of the canister on this side, and plastic piece on the top has to come off. Just got to make sure that you're careful with your wiring harness. Don't want to mess that up for your fog lights. And that's basically it. Time to get the new bumper on. And there we have it, guys. Installation complete on both front and rear bumpers. I didn't use the winch plate because I don't have a winch yet, but I will eventually be getting a winch, and we'll be doing a winch install later on. But you can see stubby bumpers look really good on the Jeep. They provide additional protection, much better than factory plastic bumpers. And they just look a hell of a lot better. That's basically it. A couple hours work with a good buddy, and your bumpers will go on pretty easily. So good luck on your next project.